Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Make sure your iPhone uses the same Apple ID as the Airpods and that Find My is enabled. Once done, open the Find My app and point to devices, then tap your Airpods name. You're doing this because the app checks both Bluetooth location and the Find My network. That gives you the best chance to locate offline Airpods. If you see a green dot, they're nearby. If gray, keep the timeline and last known location in view as your next clue. Now you refine the search. Tap play sound to make the Airpods emit a tone, useful when they're under cushions or hidden in a bag. If your iPhone supports precision finding, enable it to get on-screen arrows and distance. Follow them slowly and sweep your phone to refine the lock. Make sure you watch left/right battery and last seen timestamps so you know which bud or case to prioritize. If sound doesn't start, keep your phone close and retry. Wireless interference or low battery can delay the ping. Finish by recovering them. If they're out of range, tap directions to navigate to the last seen spot and retrace steps. Once you arrive, use play sound again. If you only lost one bud, search for its signal and check other devices that recently connected. If Airpods show offline, enable lost mode so others can identify them and you can receive location updates when they reconnect. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing responds, reset the Airpods and re-add them to your Apple ID as a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.